I am here today to unbox with you another Diptyque. They gave me my birthday gift, and yeah, I buy something to get my birthday gift. Let's start first with my birthday gift. Okay? Can't wait. So this is the cute candle. They sent it to me for my birthday. It's Figuier. It's a fig tree scent. Wow. I like their candles because it is, how can I say? It's very light scent. It's not in your face. I love this one. I'm so excited, and it's my birthday gift. This is nice. And then I get two samples, Eau de Parfum and Eau de Toilette. Eau de Parfum and Eau de Toilette. And what I bought, this is the one. Emulsion, Velours, l'art du soin. Velvet hand lotion. Wow, this huge one and so heavy, guys. But I will not open it now because I have tons of stuff. I need to finish it first. Yeah, it's a very quick unboxing, but I love it. I can't wait to open it, and of course comes with this nice pouch. Yeah, that's it. It's a quick unboxing. I hope you like it. Please give me a huge thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.